Today, we're going to walk through custom questions, how to create them, and how to use them. Custom questions on ideas are a great way to gather more information on ideas for internal use when captured through the contributor extension. They're part of our custom idea fields feature where you can add a custom question for admins and contributors to fill out when creating an idea from the UserVoice Chrome extension. To get started, you can start from the idea grid or just go directly to settings. From the idea grid, you can click the settings cog and click custom fields, which will pop out the custom fields configuration window. From here, you can either add or edit existing fields. So in this case, we can start by adding a new field. This will add a new custom idea field. Then here at the bottom, there's this extension only option to make this a question. I'm going to go ahead and enable this and type in my question here. And then I have the option to have it be required or optional. So then you can save the field and it will save this custom question. And you can see here on the side, it clearly dictates which are a custom question or which are not. So you can also go in and edit your existing fields to make them into custom questions by enabling that make this a question and adding the question that you want to be asked. So from here, we've added a couple custom questions and now these will appear on our extension when creating a new idea. So if we head over to the UserVoice extension, we can capture some feedback, and instead of selecting a previous idea, we'll go to create a new idea. This first step will be as it was before: the idea title, the forum you want it to be part of, the category, and an optional description. But then we now have this step 2, so when you click next, this will show your custom questions. So the priority of this idea, I'm going to select middle, and that's going to assign the value 2. And then I can give a URL here. And then once I have all this filled out, I can click save and continue filling out the information for this piece of feedback. Then when I go to create the new idea, and I pull up the idea in my admin console, I will be able to see on my custom fields that the URL and the priority, which I had created custom questions on, are already filled out, so I don't have to worry about going in to manually edit those. If you decide that you no longer want a field to be a custom question, you can go back in and edit and disable that part of the feature. Or if you want to get rid of the custom field altogether, you can go in and delete the custom field. We hope you enjoy taking advantage of being able to ask your admins and contributors a few more details when creating ideas from the feedback extension.